Hi, Mrs. Johnson. Thank you very much for calling into GT School. My name is Yuri Kruman, and I'm happy to answer your questions today. So your first question is, how do we measure a student's progress? Great question. So first of all, we're all about the foundations of mastery, whether it's with life skills, academics. It's really the foundation that creates iterative effects. Okay, so we are very big on testing, not just testing at the end of a unit or the semester or year. We're all about testing in flight, really making sure that the student retains the information and shows that mastery throughout. We're very big on using adaptive apps, which enable the student to learn through different modalities, to ask for help, to really make sure that they lock in what they learn. We're huge on coaching. Every student gets a coach, and that coach checks in with them daily to make sure that they're making great progress and that they're motivated well. We're all about learning life skills, meaning not just the academics, but how to manage time, how to learn, how to set goals, how to prioritize, how to make decisions well. We're really big on giving each student agency to learn, and also we teach them how to learn, which is a critical skill at the foundation. We're very big on community engagement. Each student is part of our community of peers and coaches. So they're not just asking a teacher for one answer that becomes gospel. They're asking their peers, right? And that becomes one data point out of many others. Each student really, it's really critical that they achieve a sense of ownership from their work. They're motivated on their own to move forward and learn and really become an expert at something, not just good and check, check, check. Of course, students that learn well, they earn in the process, which is a very unique and incredibly motivating part of our program. And there is a certain satisfaction, of course, that comes with mastering something. That shows up in all different areas of life. Your second question is all about how do we ensure that a student has mastery of a subject? So, as I mentioned, this is a foundation for everything that we do. It's all about mastery. Okay. So in order for kids to move forward, right, this traditional model is just sort of, let's hope for the best that all of these kids will kind of have that foundation. It doesn't work like that. So because we're doing learning one-on-one through apps and through coaching, we really make sure whatever the student learns gets locked in. Very, very important. The kid must become an expert at that subject. And then, we make sure that the combination of coaching and apps continues to really lock it in and create motivation, and the other pieces help that as well. And the third question is, how do we accommodate students with learning disabilities? So we know that 14% of GT students have learning disabilities. So there's almost a correlation. What we do is we help through coaching and creating mastery and learning how to learn to really make sure that they have an excellent experience, which is customized for them. Thanks.